In this tutorial, we'll be comparing CallHippo versus Twilio. And even though both platforms are used for calling and business communication, they are built for completely different types of users. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know when to choose a ready-to-use phone system and when you should choose a developer communication platform and makes the most sense for the phase that your business is in at the moment. Now, let's dive in. To kick things off, what is CallHippo? CallHippo is a cloud-based business phone system designed for sales and support teams that want calling up and running fast. It typically includes business phone numbers, IVR and call routing, call recording, call queues and team features, and basic reporting and analytics. Think of CallHippo as a plug-and-play business phone system for teams. On the other hand, what is Twilio? Twilio is a communications platform for developers. Instead of giving you a full phone system out of the box, Twilio gives you the building blocks like APIs to add calling, SMS, WhatsApp, and verification and more into your own apps and workflows. You can use Twilio to build things like a custom call center experience, automated SMS alerts and reminders, two-factor authentication via SMS or voice, call routing, IVR, and voice bots inside your own system. Think of Twilio as the infrastructure to build your own calling and messaging product. Now, let's talk about the core differences. For example, here's the easiest way to understand this. When it comes onto CallHippo, it is for teams who want a phone system they can use today with minimal setup, while Twilio, on the other hand, is for teams who want to build custom communication workflows and have developers to implement them. So the real question is, do you want to use a phone system or do you want to build one? Now, let's quickly talk about some key features of both platforms, and we'll kick things off by looking at CallHippo. First, it offers business phone numbers, often local or international options, IVR, routing and forwarding, call queues and team distribution, call recording, shared calling workflows for sales or support teams, integrations with CRMs and help desk tools, and the best way to think about it is CallHippo gives you a complete calling system without technical effort. While Twilio, on the other hand, if we were to quickly talk about some of its key features, first, programmable voice, so build calling into your product, and programmable messaging, whether that be SMS, WhatsApp, or other options, and verification and authentication flows, studio-style workflow building, depending on your setup, and also contact center building blocks. You'll also get deep integrations via APIs and highly customizable logic, for example, routing, call flows, and automations. The best way to think about it is Twilio gives you maximum flexibility, but you're responsible for building and maintaining the system. And if we were to quickly talk about use cases, I would recommend that you choose CallHippo if you need a business phone system for a sales or support team and want calling, routing, recording, and analytics out of the box, and want fast setup with minimal technical work, and you prefer predictable per user or month style software. Typical users of CallHippo are small businesses, agencies, sales teams, and remote support teams. While on the other hand, I would recommend that you go with Twilio if you have developers or technical resources and need custom calling or SMS workflows that off-the-shelf tools can't do, and want to embed calling or messaging inside your own product and need high flexibility, for example, custom routing, automations, integrations, and scale. The typical users of Twilio are SaaS companies, platforms, marketplaces, enterprises building custom communication. Now let's quickly talk about their pricing. When it comes onto CallHippo, you'll typically be priced per user per month, as you can see right here, with tiers that unlock more features. So for example, if we were to select the essential plan, you can get started for as low as $1 per month per user, and it can go up to $55 per month per user, depending on the amount of features that you want and also the amount of minutes. And if we were to check out the pricing of Twilio, their payment plan is pay for what you use, but costs can scale with volume and complexity, as you can see right here. So for example, for their SMS feature, it starts off at 83 cents to send and receive a message, and it can go up as you can see right there. And that's basically it. So in conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend CallHippo if you want a ready-to-use phone system for your team, or your needs are mostly calling, routing, recording, and reporting, and you want something you can deploy fast with minimal tech. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with Trello if you want to build a custom calling or messaging workflow, you have dev resources, and you want communications embedded into your own app or platform, and you need maximum flexibility and don't mind complexity. The most practical takeaway is if you're a typical small business or agency, I would recommend that you start off with CallHippo, and if you're building a product or have a technical team, then Trello will be a better fit. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.